Hello student, good morning. Today we will start the general characters and outline classification up to class level of Helminth. Helminths. Helminths include the animals belonging the phylum Platyhelminthes and class Nematoda of phylum Helminthes. Many of the parasites forms of this group are popularly known as parasitic worms. Parasitic worms. These are the endoparasites of the gut and blood in the human body and causes various diseases. Collectively called helminthiasis. Helminthiasis. This is the disease name. The following three types of helminthiasis are most common and widespread: nematodiasis, trematodiasis, and cystodiasis. These are the three classes: nemathelminthes and platyhelminthes, trematoda and cystoda. General characters. Helminths are bilaterally symmetrical. Helminths are bilaterally symmetrical and dorso-ventrally flattened triploblastic worms. Body shape generally worm-like but varies from moderately elongated flattened shape to long, flat, ribbon and leaf-like. It is commonly called as cystodes, tapeworms, and trematodes, fluke. Common name is. And in nematodes, that is the roundworm, hookworm, pinworm. All these the common name. Majority of flatworms are white, colorless. Some derive colors from the ingested food: brown, gray, black, or brilliantly colored. Anterior end of the body is differentiated into the so-called head. Presence of hooks and suckers. Exo and endoskeleton are completely absent. Hence the body is generally soft. Hard part consists of cuticle, spines, thorns, hooks, teeth, etc. A coelomate, that is true coelom, is absent. A coelomate, that is the true coelom, is absent, means body cavity is absent. Digestive system is totally absent. In cystoda and trematoda, digestive system is totally absent. In nematode, rudimentary present. Respiratory and circulatory system are absent. Excretory system consists of single or paired protonephridia. Nervous system is primitive. Sexes are not united, separated. Reproductive system is simple. Life cycle complicated, involves one or more host. Cross fertilization in trematodes and self fertilization in cystodes is very common. Fertilization is internal. More than 12,000 species of H. helminthes are known. Classification. The classification adopted here is of the Hyman scientist LH in 1951 up to the class level. Classes, that is Turbellaria, Trematoda and Cystoda. That is the phylum Platyhelminthes. Included three classes: Terbellaria, Trematoda and Cystoda. Number 1, Terbellaria. Terbella, a little string, mostly free-living flatworms, but some ectomesensals and endocommensals or parasitic. Body unsegmented, body covered with a cellular or syncytial epidermis, usually with mucous cells, and which is usually partly ciliated. Adhesive organs abundantly present. Digestive system usually consists of mouth, pharynx and intestine. Anus not found. Excretory system consists of proton, nephridia. The phlegm cells. Sense organs consist of tango receptors and cynoreceptors. Mostly hermaphrodite. Reproduction sexual, asexual and by regeneration. Life cycle simple. Example, Anoploidium hypotrichina. Hermaphrodite means both the sexes are present in the same species or same animal, same organism, that is called as monoecious or hermaphrodite. And those sexes are dioecious, that is called as male and female sexes are separated, bisexual. Second class, Trematoda. Trematodes having pores. Ectoparasites or endoparasite forms commonly called flukes. Body shape usually leaf-like, dorsoventrally flattened, body wall without epidermis and cilia, body undivided and covered with a cuticle, well-developed suckers usually present, digestive tract incomplete, consisting of mouth, pharynx and the forked or many branched intestine. Anus absent, protonephridial, excretory system consisting of phlegm cells, mostly hermaphrodite. Both the sexes are united or present in same organism. Worms single, ovary single, testes 2 to many. Life history simple or complicated. Example, fasciola, schistosoma, Opisthoarcis. Third class, Cystoda. Endoparasites in the intestine of vertebrates, commonly called as tapeworms. Its body is tape-like, ribbon-like, both the dorsoventrally flattened. That's why that is tapeworms. Body without epidermis and cilia but covered with cuticle. Body usually divided into few to many segments. Thousands of segments are present. Segments are proglottids. Rarely undivided. Anterior end scolex is provided with adhesive structure, hooks, suckers, except in cystoderia. Mouth and digestive tract totally absent. Excretory system consists of protonephridia with typical terminal phlegm cells. Nervous system usually comprises a pair of ganglia and 2 lateral longitudinal nerve cord. Each segment proglotid contains 1 or 2 testes of complete hermaphroditic reproductive system. Hermaphrodite means both the reproductive system present in the same animal, and all sexual organs also develop each and every segments, and number of segments present in entire worm. Life cycle complicated, usually involving 2 or more host embryos. Embryos possess hooks. Embryos possess hooks. Subclass Cystidaria. Endoparasite in coelom or intestine of vertebrates. Body undivided, monozoic, scolex absent, alimentary canal absent. Only one set of monoecious reproductive organs. Larva lycophores with 10 hooks. Example Ampelina, Tinea, Munisia. This is the outline classification, general characters and outline classification of helminths. In helminths, 3 classes, that is phylum Platyhelminthes, Turbellaria, Cystoda and Trematoda. And in Helminthes or Nemathelminthes, class Nematoda. And we have to study this outline classification and general characters of the helminths. Okay, thank you.